fellow viewers.
Adit lang. Nade, Viewers Day.
Ganda din siya! Kinsa din na!
Yeah, so now we have a biggest task, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this task is to give you some very important information about the.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey guys, can you please suggest anything for me to do?
How about we do a little discussion about variation?
Variation.
How to update variation.
How to update variation in the map. So here, come here. I will teach you how to update this 2019.
Before we're going to update the variation, first we need a
Map.
bond paper where we can solve and
calculate.
and the book.
The book
from A Frost. This is a master marker. The title of this book is Practical Navigation for Officers of the Watch. So now we're going to hear from Ponce, Officer Ponce, about the updating the variation. So this 13 degrees and 40 minutes east from the variation of 1994. We have this annual change of 1 degrees east. So now we're going to compute for the gap between 1994 and the year now 2019. So now we're going to subtract and the result is 25. So that's, we obtained that from 1994 to 2019. So now we have the 25 times or multiplied divided by rather by 60. So now we're going to use the calculator because these are greatest partner in life. So this result, again, we're going to place here below the annual change from 1994.
Are you sure about that?
So that's the east because it's east here for more clarification. So 13 degrees and 40 minutes plus 25 minutes east equals. So now we got the variation of 2019 by 14 degrees 5 minutes east.
So that's it, guys. That's how you update the variation from 1994 to 2019. I hope you understand our topic for today.
So I know struggle and trouble.
Written in these walls are stories that I can't explain.
Try also to come soon, but I'm gonna told you.
Leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days.
If you have something to say,
Told me
just
in the
comment
morning
and
she don't feel the same about us.
and don't forget to like.
Share.
Subscribe.
Seems to me that when
Gratitude before me, gratitude behind me, gratitude to the left of me, gratitude to the right of me, gratitude above me, gratitude below me, gratitude within me, gratitude all around me.